how can I use Amazon PPC together with Helium 10 to get more sales? Helium 10 is one of the software that we're also using in the agency. Helium 10 basically is going to help you get a good track of what works for your competition and also get a better understanding on what works for your listings. The way we would be using Helium 10 to understand, first off, we would be using it to understand our own listings. Sometimes what can happen is for certain search terms, you might be making sales or search certain keywords that you're not actively tracking. You might be ranking organically high, therefore that's also going to affect your PPC sales. How we would strategize is we're looking how does this help? So we would run a cerebro on our own listing and see which are the keywords that right now I'm ranking highest on that I'm not advertising for, right? And those would be just good, take a note. Because if you're within page 10, that means placement 10 on the first page. That means you're already doing well. Now the question is, if you're going to push with more advertising, are you going to get additional organic sales or not? The first route we would take is we want to understand what is happening on our listings and that we're not piggybacking yet on, and we should. Once that we got answer to that, then we're moving to competitors and see how they perform, which are the keywords that they are using, which are keywords they're not using that they are, where do they have competitive advantage. There's a ton of content on Helium 10. What is really important, what I'm noticing strategically, people are going to see it as look at competitors. No, look at what works or not for your current listing, piggyback on that, and once you apply that, look at competitors. That's how we prioritize.